In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add free shipping in Ecwid, a straightforward process that can enhance your customer experience and potentially boost your sales. So if you're ready, let's dive into it and walk through the steps together. First, we begin at your Ecwid dashboard. If you're already logged into your store, you should see your dashboard right away. This is your central hub for managing your online store, including all aspects of your shipping settings. Once you're on the dashboard, you're going to look for the option labeled Shipping and Pickup. This is where all your shipping settings are managed, including adding new methods and adjusting existing ones. So, go ahead and click on Shipping and Pickup. Doing so will bring you to a new page where you manage your store's shipping methods. On this new page, your task is to locate an option that says Add Shipping. This allows you to introduce a new shipping method to your store. Click on Add Shipping, and now you'll be brought to a section where you can customize your shipping based on your store's needs. At this point, you'll be looking at various options for setting up shipping depending on your preference. This might include local carriers, international shipping options, or specific logistics services. Here, don't be overwhelmed by the choices. Instead, find the option that best suits your needs and click on Setup. After deciding which shipping preference is right for you, now it's time to configure the free shipping option. Look for the option labeled Set up Free Shipping among the various choices that appear. Selecting this will allow you to configure parameters specific to offering free delivery to your customers. With Set up Free Shipping selected, you'll be directed to a page where you can configure the specifics of the offer. Make sure you follow any prompts and tips provided there that are specific to your store's needs or customer base. This might include setting minimum purchase requirements if needed or defining regions where free shipping applies. These details can help in managing the costs associated with this promotional offer. Finally, once you've set everything to your satisfaction, you'll hit the Save and Finish button. This action will ensure that your newly configured free shipping option is activated and available to your customers. Always double check to make sure everything is set up correctly and make any necessary adjustments before finalizing. And there you have it. Your free shipping setup is complete. This easy setup can significantly impact your customer engagement, potentially increasing conversion rates by making your shopping experience even more enticing. Try it out and see how it positively affects your sales. Thanks for watching, and if you found this instruction helpful, be sure to check out other videos and resources for more tips on optimizing